I guess today's question is rearrange the character to make a target string. So let me take me to the problem statement. You are given a zero index integer, zero index string s and target. You can take some letters from s and rearrange them to form a new string. Return the maximum number of copies of target that can be found by taking the letters from s and rearranging them. Okay, so you have to make a copies of target if it is present in how many times it is present in s. So only two copies are present because code is present here and code and e is also present. So you have to make so you have to keep in mind if c is present two times, o is present two times, d is present two times, and e is present two times, then two copies should be found. If any one is missing, suppose if C is only present one times, O is present one times, D is present one times, E is not present, then zero copy can be found in S from S. If suppose two copies is present of O, two copies of present of D, two copies of D, and one copy of S, then only one copy is found. Second copy will not be found because E is only present one time. Okay, so let me take to the answer of the solution. So for the counting purpose, for the string s, how many times each character is repeating, I have taken a linked hash map and count each character's count. So in this, keep inside the other characters, the main characters are CUDE because the target string is code. So the count of the COD will be C is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, O is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, and E is equal to 2 because C is present 1 2 times, O is present 3 times. Okay, no problem. O is present 4 times. Okay, no problem. But two copies should be found because other characters are only 2 times present. Okay, and D is present one time and one more time, 2 times, and E is present one time, 2 times. Okay, I already told you like O is present 4 times, but other is present 2 times. So two copies should be found. If O is present 4 times, then I have made use of recursion, so it will count. If other copies count is less than the other count, then a string will not be found. So I have taken this way. So I have called a recursive function in the map which already contains the count and the target. So I have iterated the target and see in the map whether it is present or not. If it is a present, because the value of target string, the string dot value of target char type should be equal to the key and their value should be greater than equal to 1. Then it will come inside because we have to reduce because you have to I am reducing the value also and updating the map itself. So if it is equal to the key, I am concatenating it and I am reducing the maps value. Again, for all the values, like I have taken an example C will be equal to C, and I will reducing the map value to 1 by 1. Okay, minus C. And after all of this, the value which is found in S should be equal to the target. So for that purpose, because I have taken a reverse of this both the strings and they should be equal. If they are equal, I am increasing the count, and if they are not equal, then I will return it. The recursive function will come out of the loop because something is not equal to some string, like O is present 4 times. When the loop recursion will come third time, it will see that COD is there, COD is not there, but O is there, but O is not equal to code. That's why it come out of that recursion, and then it will return the count.